Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a character that belongs to the world of fantasy television. She is a well-known character from the popular series Game of Thrones. Well, how do we say her name correctly? We may pronounce it as Shae. Shae. Here we go again. Shae. Shae is known for her role as a complex character who becomes deeply involved in the personal and political conflicts of the series. Her character's journey is marked by intrigue and emotional depth. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Shae, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.